Welcome to the grand opening of the newly renovated Memorial Stadium and the Lonn Reisman Athletic Center.
Is there anything more splendid tonight than the purple and white in this facility?
You know, Memorial Stadium is looking pretty good for a 69-year-old stadium, isn't it?
This is the day we start falling in love with Memorial Stadium one more time. This is the place class of 23, like all classes before them, remember most about their college days.
This is an extremely exciting day for our kids. What an opportunity to play in a stadium like this.
But tonight isn't just a historic night for Tarleton. It's a historic night for Stephenville, our surrounding communities, and the state of Texas. August 20th, 2019 will forever be a historic day in Tarleton State University history.